How is it possible to flip houses with no cash or credit? Well, in the next 5 minutes, this wannabe is going to help me explain how. Stand by. Let's get it. Hello guys, this is Ty, aka the Flip Man. So how is it possible to flip a house with no cash or credit? Well, it's called wholesaling. Everyone understands that if you buy low and sell high, you can make money. But did you know you can also buy low and sell low and still make life-changing money? So let me break this down for you. All real estate transactions start with a contract. Whether it's a $10,000 property or a $10 million property, they all start with a contract. So let's assume you found a house and the owner is willing to sell it to you for $50,000. But the kicker is this house is actually worth $130,000 after $20,000 in renovation and fix-up costs. I'm sure you're saying, yeah, that's all good, Ty, aka the Flip Man, but I don't have $50,000. I don't have the $20,000 to fix it up. As a matter of fact, I don't have $50. Okay, I get it. But normally, if you don't have money, you have time. And here's what you can do with that time is to, number one, educate yourself and understand you can make money flipping real estate using techniques and knowledge. Okay, so let's really get to it. This is a very simple business, but don't confuse simple with being easy, even though some deals are actually easy. But what makes this a very simple business is two things: motivated sellers and repeat cash buyers. So I'm sure you're asking, well, what is a motivated seller when it comes to wholesaling? Well, my simple definition is, it is that someone that owns a property that is willing to sell that property cheap enough where it's a no-brainer to a cash buyer. To better explain, here are some reasons why someone would be a motivated seller: death or inheritance, divorce, job or income loss, tired of being a landlord dealing with bad tenants, the house needs too many repairs, behind in payments and facing foreclosure, relocation, out-of-town owners. I think you get it. So now, cash buyers. Cash buyers, who you want them to be repeat cash buyers, are normally investors who are looking to buy property to either fix and rent or fix and flip. And what's sweet about true cash buyers is that they buy fast and they buy often, which means you can sell to them over and over and over again. Remember that contract I mentioned a moment ago? Well, let me show you how valuable and powerful a piece of paper can be if you have the knowledge, whether you have the cash or credit or you don't. So let's say you found a deal with a motivated seller who is actually a tired landlord that is willing to sell that property, as we mentioned before, for $50,000. And this house would be worth $130,000 in excellent condition after $20,000 in renovation and fix-up costs. Now you have contract A with the motivated seller for $50,000. The next step is to now market and advertise your deal for $75,000 to attract cash buyers. Guess what? A cash buyer steps up to the plate and is willing to pay you $68,000 and will close in 10 days after doing their homework, aka due diligence, on the property. Now you have contract B for $68,000 with your cash buyer. Now this is a beautiful thing because you actually have a deal in place. The final step to you getting paid is the closing process, where you and or the cash buyer would set up a closing with a title company or a closing attorney. So at closing, the seller gets their $50,000 and you get the difference between contract A, which was $50,000, and contract B, which was $68,000, which sounds like 18 big ones, aka $18,000, is all yours. Now that's how you can flip a house with no cash or credit. I'm sure you still have a ton of questions, but guess what? You're in the right place, because all of your questions can be answered through my more than 300 videos right here by accessing my YouTube channel. Thanks, and I will see you on the flip side.